So hello again, and I'm here at this amazing park up. This park up for me is heaven. Those that know me know that I've got a fascination in all things aviation, and I love whenever the opportunity to go and take myself, whether it be to RAF bases or airports, and see some jet activity. But this park up is brilliant. I'm right on the threshold, so I can see in front of me the approach lights. Just over my shoulder here is the runway to RAF Valley, and this is where they train all of the fighter pilots, basically. So they fly out of here Hawker jets, or Hawk jets rather, which are the same jets that the Red Arrows use, and they also fly these Embraer Tucanos, which are these sort of propeller planes, and a whole bunch of other things comes here. There's quite a lot of activity of all sorts of things. This was a place that I've always wanted to come to, but it's quite out of the way because it's on the middle of nowhere in Anglesey. But I decided to sort of make a beeline for this and actually make something of it. So last night I parked up at a different place to here, and it was lovely. It was a really peaceful night and really quiet. I set my alarm this morning to wake up, and I didn't need it because the diesel heater woke me up as usual. But what else woke me up was the sound of jets taking off in the early hours of the morning. I say early hours of the morning, I think it was probably about 8 o'clock, or maybe earlier, 7:30, I don't know. And then I had a little mooch around there, and then I've come to this spot here and just taking loads of video and shots of landing aircraft, and it's just really cool. And it looks like there's a couple of vans here as well, so it looks like this would actually be quite a decent spot to just park up for the night. So I don't know whether to come back here or not. I might do. But yeah, I've had a really good morning. The child in me, or the small boy rather, and geek, has had its fixed this morning, which has been really, really cool. So after here I might take a little trip down to Holyhead and maybe find a park up around there and sort of do a little bit of investigating of the coast, etc. So yeah, here I am in boyhood geek out heaven. Cheers.